Kids love getting dizzy because it teaches them about their bodies. As adults, some of us might not like the feeling of dizziness. We might feel unsettled, maybe even nauseous and sick, and need to sit down for a bit until it passes. Kids, on the other hand, often adore the feeling. They will spin themselves around and around until they fall on the ground and then do it all over again. So why do kids love it so much? It turns out that spinning around and the resulting dizziness are significant tools kids use to learn about their bodies. Most people reference the 5 senses: sight, taste, touch, smell, hearing. But in reality, we actually have many more ways of perceiving the world through our senses. We have a whole other category called the vestibular system, which is responsible for balance and spatial orientation, or how our bodies move around in space and where our center of gravity is. This happens in the inner ear. Research shows that spinning around activates tiny, fluid-filled cavities in the inner ear, which helps kids know where their head is in relation to the rest of their body, to the ground, and to other people and objects. Being dizzy is not only fun, but it's also a crucial way kids study and learn about their bodies and how they work. Some dizzying activities your toddler and young children might enjoy include spinning around with their forehead on a bucket or stool. For extra fun, have them try to run in a straight line afterward and see how far they can get. Going on merry-go-rounds or carousels. Going on a swing, rocking horse, teeter-totter, or all kinds of playground classics. Rolling down a gently sloped, soft hill. Practicing using hula hoops. Gymnastic activities like tumbling and somersaults.